following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Salt Branch Raritan River at Stanton until Tuesday evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 10:15 a.m. Monday, the stage was 7.4 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this afternoon and continue to rise to near 8.0